kidding me?
Tyler, 3 yards to the rebound for a USC touchdown.
Sit down, Trojan.
Are you kidding me?
So much for that time. Returns the kick, 96 yards for a Trojan touchdown.
Not looking good.
26, Tyler.
Pick it off.
Wide open.
Barkley's pass complete. Number 9, Osbury. 21 yards for a Trojan touchdown.
Predicted it right. Nobody will know it was a close game.
21 Allen Bradford, 56 yards for a Trojan touchdown.
There we go.
Gophers pass intercepted by 54 Filippo. Trojans.
Oh, he just got destroyed on that pass. They're blitzing again. Now they're backing off.
In the end zone for a goal and Gophers.